Guys, David here, and today I am going to do a tropical update on the invest92L. So I'm gonna go on the browser. I'm gonna go to 5 days on a system that's developing over the Gulf of Mexico. This is the first time I've seen one develop this. I've seen develop since Hurricane Michael in 2018, October 2018. So. But still, I can't talk. I can't focus on this. I might have to. I don't want to do this video, but I don't want my dad. What we're saying. It says I was gonna go to the 5-day Atlantic outlook. Sorry for taking a little bit too long. I know it's taking too long on this browser. It's like pretty slow. So, but like what I'm saying, I'm gonna show you the GFS models and all of that. So here we go. Well, I'm trying to be a weather mastermind. So it keeps taking too long to load, so I don't know what's going on, but I should have got it on the computer instead of pointing at it. But it just keeps taking so long. Like I don't want to wait a while, and I'm gonna have to keep. It's gonna keep. So unfortunately, I might want to have to delete this video if it keeps taking too long. There we go. So it has an 80% chance of cyclone formation in 5 days, but for formation through 2 days, it has like about a 70% chance. So it says a broad area. It says a broad area of low pressure has emerged over Algepe Bay and the northeastern Gulf of Mexico. Environmental conditions are expected to be conducive for tropical cyclone formation and develop formed by late Wednesday or Thursday. So it could likely become Tropical Storm Barry, or I don't know yet. So this tropical disturbance can probably produce like extreme heavy rain across southern Louisiana. But I don't mind that this is probably going to be a Tropical Storm Barry, but it's like tropical invest92L Trop pre-Barry. So I'm going to go to the GFS models to see what's their rainfall data. Tidbits. Go on Tropical Storm Tidbits. But like I mentioned, invest92L is getting a lot of energy for those storms to fire up along with the low pressure system. So we got very warm water, so it could become tropical storm by Thursday, so if you don't mind. So let's go look at the current storms. We got invest92L. Its pressure is about 10.15 MB. And its radius of circulation is 150 nm. So there's the forecast is. So it could hit like southern Kentucky in most of the days. So whatever I would say, I'm going to look at the forecast models to show you. Gotta go down here to the south. Let's go down here as soon as it's done loading. Sorry for taking too long. welcome. Skip, so hurricane. GFS. I am paying a close attention on this low pressure system. So here's the GFS model. Gonna have to look for the rainfall totals. But this thing ain't loading, so here's the model run. As you can... Why is it... As you can tell, look at all that rain. It could become like Hurricane Barry, but more likely like a low-end hurricane into a tropical system. And here it is as it's moving towards like... So, it weakens as soon as it gets like up to the northern area. So, that'll be northeast after it hits New Orleans, so... Could produce like heavy rain, so let's go look at the precip and so it's temperatures are like very high, higher than expected, because that's the reason why we got that broad area of low pressure. So here is another model run. Like I said, it might hit Louisiana. And that's almost like just southwest of New Orleans. So, gonna get the rainfall totals. Like, as it runs, it moves like northeast after it moves west. So, let's go look at the rain. I'm trying to find like the rain totals. So, going to have to like look at those rainfall totals. But I am paying attention close to invest92L. It'll be by Louisiana just by days. So, we're like 7 minutes into this video, so going to look at the rain totals. Rain totals from invest92L. From invest92L. So the Mississippi River could have more water than actually expected in the coming days, but like I mentioned, all the instability in daytime heating, I don't know why it does that. It's just stupid and it's slow. My Kindle is so stupid. But we are like 8 minutes into this video, so I'm trying to... Come on, thing! You need to load! Sorry for my spelling mistakes. Capitalize it. There we go. Alright, so I'm trying to get the rainfall totals. But it's likely going to become a tropical storm probably by Friday or Thursday, or I don't know. So, it says South Louisiana could get up like to 8 inches by Monday. So there's that tropical depression that is developing. It says that broad area of low pressure. It has a, this disturbance has a, like I said, the disturbance has a 70% chance of developing. It says the heavy rain could lead to isolated flash flooding. It could be more than flash flooding, so it has the potential to create a catastrophic rainfall event like the 5-day August 2016 storm that dumped more than 25 inches of rain on the Baton Rouge area. So guys, the last time we've seen heavy rain in Louisiana was probably in August of 2016. It was probably because we had a tropical disturbance over it, so that was kind of interesting. It'll be just like the August 2016 storm system that that dumped like several inches of rain across Baton Rouge. And it said we could expect like widespread rainfall of 4 to 8 inches, with locally higher amounts possibly more than a double as possible, 3 to 4 inches. So that storm could actually move westward and it will move northeast, and that's what the models are actually saying. So I hope you guys like my weather video. If you're watching this, so you would probably hit the subscribe button and go like my video. This is like the first time I've ever filmed this video while doing this, because my computer does not have that. So yeah, like I mentioned, the rainfall is supposed to be 4 to 8 inches, which are widespread. So this could likely become Tropical Storm Barry, or could even become like a low-end Category 1 hurricane, because the Gulf of Mexico has extremely warm water temperatures. It's like close to 90, so I hope it cools down by all this tropical depression. So, but like I mentioned, that guy said they are warmer than they usually are, so for Gulf of Mexico. So I hope you guys like this video. Please hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, and follow me on TikTok. So I hope you guys have a good day.